Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Finally, I am so happy to be doing this officially. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get right into it, honey. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with the NYX primer spray. I'm spraying that all over so that my makeup can apply nice and smooth, and so I can look like a beautiful baby angel. So now I'm going to be using my favorite palette ever, and we're going in with that black shade. We're going to put that shade right in our cut crease and just blend that out to the gods, okay? Y'all, the way I was so tempted to put music over this video, but I had to catch myself because I did not want to get copyrighted. Like, we don't need that over here, okay? So there's just a long, like, awkward silence. So right now, I'm just going right over that black with a red shade from that same palette. I don't know why I chose this red. Originally, I wanted to use a light brown, a very soft brown, but I made it work. And I'm just really trying to blend that red and black out together because I didn't want it to be too harsh. So I'm focused. Now, here's a trick that I do often. I don't know if you guys know about it, but I'm using Vaseline to really shape that cut crease, and I just wipe that off. Once it's wiped off, that's when I apply the white concealer. And listen, y'all, please don't come for me. I know my lips are chapped, all right? Cut me some slack. It's wintertime. A girl is struggling. So now I'm going to be using a different palette, and these colors are specifically going over that white concealer. So as you can see in the inner corners of my cut crease, I'm using the more off-white creamy shade. And for the outer corners, I'm using this peach shade, and I think it's so pretty. I thought it matched very well with the creamy shade that I used in the inner corners. So now I'm just blending those two light colors out, and right here I'm actually going back in with that black shade from the Morphe palette because some of the residue from the lighter shade was transitioning onto the black, and I did not like that. So right now I'm going to use my glitter stack set from Beats by Deb Cosmetics. She's amazing. I love her. And I'm going to be using that black glitter. And I'm just going to use that to pretty much separate the black and the lighter shades. So now that I've applied that black glitter to my cut crease, I'm just adding some lash glue right to my lash line so I could put on my eyelashes. Now y'all know eyelashes will really transform you, honey. Just wait for it. Adding some mascara just to, put some emphasis on my lashes. Look at that. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Period. Okay? Now let's get into this foundation. Il Maquillage, I think that's how you pronounce it. Bomb.com. When I tell you I love that, no. I'm obsessed with this foundation. It is legit the best foundation that I think I've ever used. So much coverage. It's just flawless. Now I am just blending away, okay? My forehead, everywhere needs to be seamless, flawless, okay? I don't need any creases, and I just like to take my time doing this. So now I'm going to be using my MAC powder, and that's in the shade NC45, and I'm using my Morphe brush to just blend that powder out all over. I know a lot of people don't like to use powder after their foundation, but for me, it just works perfectly. It smooths everything out. So here I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Tan. I'm just putting it everywhere that I want to highlight. And you can get this at your local beauty supply store. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody knows about this concealer. It's very affordable, only like $5. So I'm sure y'all are already hip. You guys, I know this is so random, but I cannot stop staring at my bonnet. Like, it's so pretty. Definitely one of my favorites that I wear basically every night. Unfortunately, I cannot remember where the hell I got this bonnet from. So if you were curious, I'm sorry. I don't remember. One thing that I love about this beauty blender, it's going to blend, okay? And the thing that I love about it the most is that it's double-sided. So this side that I'm using to set my setting powder, that part is flat, and then the other side I would use that to blend my foundation and my concealer. And this is from Morphe, so it's also very affordable. Now I'm using the True Complexion contour palette. I got this from Target, child, so it works for me. I'll be using that darkest shade to contour. If anybody has any suggestions on great cream contours, please comment below because I need to change. I need to try something new. Right here, I'm applying some blush, some Fenty blush that is. It's a cream blush in the color Strawberry Drip. Now, this brings out your face. Like, if you contour, I suggest you use blush. Like, look how much better that looks. So I'm using Fenty Beauty again, and this is the Kilowatt Foil. It's a duo highlight, but I'll be using the shade Sandcastle. Oh my, look at that. It's gorgeous. In case y'all don't know, Rihanna is my fave. So, I have to support her. And on top of me supporting her, her products are bomb. Like, I don't play about her, period. Okay? Look at how pretty that is. Like, I could cry. It is so beautiful. Like, she did that. I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray to just set my face. I'm giving you up close and personal. Like, you gotta get into this look. Here I'm just using some NYX liquid liner and I'm going over my beauty marks to enhance them. Now I'm doing one of my favorite steps ever, okay? If you know me, you know that I love a good brown lip liner. Like, That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful Morphe lippy. It's in the shade Chill. Look at that. Like, it's so pretty. And this is definitely my go-to, like, everyday lippy. And I am done. Okay, this is the reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.